My name is Mona Jaber. I'm a reader in the Internet of Things, or IoT. So IoT is a network of connected devices. These could be sensors, and these devices, they can gather data, they can process data, and they communicate data seamlessly. And that allows us to do intelligent things. So we transform environments from normal environments to smart environments, where we can then have solutions for more sustainable urban environment, greener, more efficient, safer, resilient. I'm particularly passionate about active travel. Active travel is a form of moving from point A to point B without an engine. Most of the emissions and most of the noise pollution that we have in our cities is due to road transport. If we replace road transport with active travel, we already tackle this problem. And my research is about using alternative sensing methods to understand how people move in the city. And I use a technology called distributed acoustic sensing. So this is a technology that uses underground fiber optics. And it works very much like a radar, where we send a signal and then we measure the reflected signal so we can detect any vibration caused by overground movement. And with our artificial intelligence algorithm, we can understand that there's a pedestrian crossing the street, for example, or there's a cyclist navigating a difficult junction. And with this information, we can then inform urban planning, inform transportation policies to make active travel safer, and then have more people use active travel. I'm head of the Center for Networks, Communications and Systems, and the center in itself is composed of two groups. The first group is the Networks group, which does a lot of internet measurements, networks, social computing, distributed systems. And then you have the other group, which is the Communication Systems Research group, where we do a lot of work on 5G, 6G, IoT, federated systems. Both groups are really recognized globally for their academic impact. I like to see the center as the central piece in our society, in the sense that we provide connectivity, we provide communication. All of this is possible because of the research that we do, which is putting that network technology together. One of the very interesting projects that we have in the center, we're looking to see if by processing social media data, we can infer and predict where crime will happen. By using natural language processing or large language models, can we detect keywords that tell us that crime might happen in this area? Of course, we have the official statistic that would tell us that, but these are often delayed. Can we use that social media to find this information, to give the alert to people and make them aware of any risks in their neighborhood? So I teach on the joint program with Beijing University of Post and Telecom, where we provide dual degrees for undergraduate students. So this is a bachelor engineering program. And I love it because I get to go to Beijing several times a year. We deliver teaching in teaching block. So this is the face-to-face time with the students, and then we do the rest of the things remotely. But I love it, as sometimes it is challenging, especially when you're jet lagged, when you've got other commitments related to research happening at the same time. But that moment when you see that you've made an impact on a student, you've influenced their journey, you've influenced their choices in their career or in their further education, that is so rewarding.